In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Zoho Mail. Starting off, you'll want to open your Zoho Mail account and head to the top right corner where you'll see your profile. Click on your profile, and from the drop-down menu, select the Admin Console. This is your command center for managing everything related to your organization's email accounts. Now that you're in the Admin Console, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but today we're focused on Users. Go ahead and click on Users. This will bring you to the Users page, where you'll manage all the user accounts within your organization. Next up, we need to add the new user. Look towards the top of the Users page, and you'll see an Add button. Click on it, and then choose Add User from the options. This will open up a form where you'll input all the necessary details for creating the new user account. Begin by entering the first name and last name of the individual you're adding. Then, it's time to set up the username. The username serves as the email prefix and can be adjusted if needed to suit your organization's naming conventions. If your organization uses multiple domains, ensure you select the correct domain from the drop-down menu to match your requirements. When it comes to the password, you have a couple of options. You can either set it manually, ensuring it meets the criteria of being at least 8 characters long with a mix of numbers and special characters, or you can let Zoho automatically generate a secure password for you. You'll also decide whether the new credentials should be sent to the user via email. Many find it helpful to enable the Force User to Change Password on First Login option, adding an extra layer of security for new accounts. If visual customization is important to you, there's also the option to add a profile picture for the account. While this step is optional, it can make the user's profile more personal and recognizable. Continuing on, let's explore some additional settings. You'll notice an option to show additional fields. Clicking here gives you access to more configuration options, such as adding email aliases, assigning the user to specific groups or email policies, and even setting an account expiry date if that's relevant to your needs. After you've meticulously filled out all the necessary information, the final step is to click the Add button. You'll receive a confirmation notification letting you know that the user has been successfully created. And that's it. You've now added a new user to your Zoho Mail account. These steps ensure your team can communicate efficiently and securely. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.